Good morning to all of you. My name is Shruti Mishra. I'm assistant professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today, I'm going to take up the subject that is international human resource management, and we're going to take the topic that is people management. So, first of all, we need to understand that what exactly people management means. The task of the manager are essentially people oriented. Unless there is some understanding of the people, management will be unsuccessful. Poor people management is important contributor to the project failure. So when people management basically means the employee management. The employees who are in the organization need to be managed by the top management. So there are some important factors which should not be forget by the students. That one is the consistency, uh, respect between among each other. There should be inclusion means the people should be included in the work or the task. No one should be excluded from the in the in the organization. Honesty, and the last one is honesty. Now, first one is how to select the staff. As we know that the basic selection of the staff is on the basis of the recruitment selection process. That is, you take up the CVs, you shortlist the CVs, you call for the interviews, and you take the suggestions and the recommendations and the comments from the top management, and then you select the people. So next one is how to motivate the people. Basically, we have different motivation, types of motivation techniques. First one can be intrinsic motivation. Other one is extrinsic motivation. The motivation can be the type of, you can say, money on the basis of the monetary, on the basis of the non-monetary, fringe benefits. There are several types of motivation. The basic priority of the motivation is, we can say, the Maslow's need hierarchy theory. The Maslow's need hierarchy theory is as you have seen, there is a pyramid, and on the baseline of the pyramid there is a physiological need. Physiological need means food, home, and shelter, and clothes. These are 4 5 needs which are basically required for everyone. So the organization should give this particular need, or organization should fulfill this particular need of the employees. Then it comes to the safety need. Safety need in terms of the organization, we talk about the security of the employment, from where in which the employee is working. That should be safe and secure for the employee. So employee should feel that he is secured in this particular job. Another one is love and belongingness, friendship, and the family, and you can say kinship. These all are the part of the belongingness, or the uh, love and the belongingness. So basically, if the employee feels secluded and alone, that person cannot be motivated, and if the person cannot be motivated, cannot work for the organization. Another one is esteem. Esteem means the person is confident, the person is achieving in the organization, and if the person is achieving something in the organization, that person is getting respect. That person is getting the, not only the respect I'm talking about, the person should get the recognition in the organization. Respect should be, should each and every employee is liable to get the respect, but the recognition should be given to the employees who are doing well in the organization. And the last one, and the top of the pyramid, there's the first point, that is self actualization, which means that the employees should feel secure and safe, and they should be aloof from the prejudice. Now, next we will understand that how to manage groups. That is a basic important point of the people management. There are the 4 points, that the group composition, group cohesiveness, group communication, and group organization. Group composition means manage the group composed of the people who share the same motivation can be problematic. So the task oriented means everyone who wants to do their own thing. So group should be managed in this way. The task oriented people should be, the task oriented people should be in the one group. Self oriented people should be in the another one. And the interaction oriented means too much chat too much chatting, not enough work, or those. The group should be managed in the way that the task and self and interaction should all be come in the one place. so that they can work collaboratively together. Now the next one is cohesiveness. The group is the most important than the individual in it. So the cohesiveness means gelling. If the people in the organization or the people in the group are 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 having a good gel between among all of them, so the cohesiveness of the group will be high. So the cohesiveness can be encouraged through developing a group identity and the territory, social events, explicit team building activities. Now the next one is communication. Essential for the effective group working regards the status of the work, design, decision and the change to the previous decision. It strengthens the group cohesion as it the promote the understanding. So basically it is important for each and every group to have a good communication among all of them. Next one is organization. Small groups are usually organized informally without the rigid structure. For large projects, there may be a hierarchical structure where the different groups are responsible for the different sub projects. So that should be organized in such a way that the people can work more effectively. So this is all for the day. I think this is end of this particular session of the people. I hope you like the video. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query related to this particular video, please do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much. Have a great day and stay safe.